This is Eddie. Just taking her out for a walk. Don't peck me in the eye. I know you want to. She'll sit on my shoulder all day, or she'll sit on my lap. Dog doesn't like it so much. Dear Harry. But she's very friendly. She's about 1.5 years old now. That's Freddie. He attacks the dog all the time. You leave that dog alone. Keep pecking him. He doesn't like it. Right, Ed, you get down, mate. Off you get. Yeah? You're a good girl. Yeah? You're a lovely girl, you are. Oh, good girl. Yes, you are a beautiful girl. Hey, is that nice? Tickly head. You tickly head turkey. Come on then, off we get.